Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing a Christmas look. I'm going to be starting off with my brows using my L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. I'm going to be going in with the powder shade. And first we will just be grooming the brows and I will be filling it in. Now, I like defined brows and that is what I will be going for today. So as you can see, I am just going by the natural shape of my brows and just filling in the gaps. Next up, I will be going ahead and doing my eyes. And for that, I'm going to be using my eye primer from BU Cosmetics and just priming my eyes. I will then be going in with the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. And I will be going in with the shade Elegant, just to set my eyes. As you can see, this way I know that there will be no creases in my on the top of my eyes during my eyeshadow. I will then be going in with the shade Model and just going over my outer crease and giving it the definition that I really want. This is where my eyeshadow is gonna go till. Next up, I will be going in with Pillow Talk. And I will be going again on my outer V, but more towards my lashes and just filling it in. Now we have to ensure that we blend it out completely. The red has to completely blend in with the brown. So I'm just going to be taking my blending brush and just doing that, ensuring that there are no sharp lines. Next, I will be using my Revolution Reloaded palette and be going in with a brown. It's more of a black than a brown, but you could also use a brown for this look. So I want to give it a smoky effect and give it that depth to my eyes and make it look a little more dramatic. So hence, that is why I have used black. I will then be taking my concealer and I want to go for a half cut crease look. So you have to do the cut crease really carefully because we again don't need to make a lot of mistakes, and if not, your eyes just will not stand out and will not look good. Blending in the sharp lines with a little more of black. Then I have used the shade Flames. Now this is a pressed glitter and definitely performs way better when applied with the finger. No matter how much I tried applying with the brush, it just wouldn't quite set in. Hence I went ahead and just took it with my finger and I saw that the results were quite stunning. I then went in with the shade called Love Song from the inner corner of my eyes and blending it into Flames. Then I will be going in with my Colossal eyeliner and I'm going to be going for a wing liner as this just complements my eyes a lot more. As you can see, this completes my eyes and now I will be going in with my primer for the face. So once you use the primer, you have to ensure you always use primer before doing any makeup because only then your makeup sets longer, lasts longer, and you get a more finished and flawless base. I will then be going in with my color corrector, the orange color corrector, just under my eyes to cover up any dark circles. And this again, just going in before foundation will just give a completely flawless look and all those dark circles are just gone. Now I use MAC foundation in the shade 1.3 and I'm just going to be putting dots all over my face, and then taking the foundation brush I'm going to be blending it in. I love doing my makeup with brushes more than a beauty blender because I just like how it all comes together a lot more. So as you can see, I have blended my foundation in, and you have to blend it in because then again we do not really want any brush lines, we don't want spots of foundation, we want a complete finished look. Now as you can see that my foundation is completely blended, I'm going to be going in with this brush and just completely blending it all in. Yes, we did use the compact foundation brush, but this brush just helps in blending any makeup so well. I absolutely love it. I'll be going in with my Maybelline Age Refined Concealer. I will be putting it on the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, on Cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And you could also use it on the top of your brows just to give it a little more definition and a more defined brow sort of look. So taking my concealer brush, I'm just blending in the concealer, and as you can see, you don't really have to drag your brush. You just pat it in. Now again, we're just going to be taking this face brush and just blending the makeup in place. Once that's done, I will be using my translucent powder from Ferrarucci and just setting in my makeup. Next, I will be contouring my face with the Revolution contour palette. And now this contour palette you put on the sides of your face. You take it from the beginning of your ear to the ending of your eyebrow, and you just give it that defined look. Now, I'm not going for a very deep contour look because I don't quite like that, but yes. So I will also be contouring the sides of my nose, giving it a little bit of definition and making it look structured and nice. Next, I will be going in with my blush, which is from L'Oreal. I absolutely love blush. It just adds such beautiful color to your face, and it just makes your look even more complete. As you can see that, I like to add a little bit of blush on my forehead and then a little bit on the nose, and it just adds a little color to the face entirely. Using my setting spray from L'Oreal, I'm just going to set in my makeup and then go in with highlighter for best results. Using my highlighter from PAC Cosmetics, as you can see, it gives a very, very stunning glow, and this is one highlighter I am quite stunned by, and I absolutely love how a little goes a really, really long way. As you can see, I'm just using my fan brush, and well, it really gives the glow I want. Next, going in with a cherry red lipstick. This is what will complete my look, and as you can see now, just by adding a little bit of mascara, again, just to give it a little bit of definition to the eyes, our look has now complete. So this is my complete look, and well, I hope you liked watching this video. If you do like it, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Also, do hit me up on my Insta by the name Twinkle_Punjabi_Artistry for more makeup looks and tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Bye.